Assalamu alaikum friends and my dear beautiful friends and subscribers. Welcome back to your favorite channel, The Beauty Writer. The friends and viewers, The Beauty Writer is uniquely and specially designed for fashion lovers all over the world. And this channel relates a new update of fashion items. And my dear friends, we provide you top, beautiful, amazing collection of clothes, amazing collection of hairstyles, beautiful jewelry, stylish shoes, handbags, and many more. So my dear friend and viewers, you can ask if you want more updates of any topic. I will help you and I will show you whatever you want. So do subscribe this channel and make sure to hit the bell icon if you are enjoying this amazing video. So my dear beautiful friends and beautiful subscribers, as you know, today I'm gonna show you the latest collection. And these articles are not only fits with your style and your budget, but also manage to represent everything that's special about your personality. And these designs are all the way comfortable and elegant and easy to wear, and created keeping in mind the trend and the color of the season by the top fashion designers. So please subscribe this channel and make sure to hit the bell icon if you are enjoying this amazing video. So friends and viewers and my dear beautiful subscribers, these articles are really amazing articles and really beautiful designs are here. And we always try to make our subscribers updated about latest fashion trends and living styles and much more. So take a look at this video and stay updated to my amazing channel, because this channel provides you latest fashion news and lifestyle events in your country, and you will find here new videos about all type of fashion and all type of dresses design and beauty tips and health tips and shoes designs and sandals and handbags and many more. So my dear friends and my dear viewers, I really hope that you all like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and make sure to hit the bell icon. And you can also comment if you have any suggestion for us to improve our channel, and you can tell us in the comment section that which video we should do next and which video we should make more for my viewers and my subscribers. And thank you so very much for watching this video, for your precious time and your precious support. And it will be gladly appreciated if you just comment us that which video you want to see more and which ideas you are like more. Allah Hafiz, my dear friend.